Legs are thick and afraid of cold. How to massage the legs at home? Apply a little essential oil on the legs. Spread the oil on the legs. Apply evenly. First, find 4 lines. The first line is on the inside of our legs. This is our liver meridian. The second line is our spleen meridian. The third line is our stomach meridian. The fourth line is the gallbladder meridian on the outside of the leg. First, use a massage brush to push the inside of our thighs. When operating at home, you can push the liver meridian from the root of our thighs. People who are often angry can push more. When pushing down, exert more pressure. When retracting, use lighter pressure. Then push the spleen meridian on the upper side of the leg. The force should be a bit more stable. Next is our stomach meridian. Finally, the gallbladder meridian on the outside of the leg. You can also use 2 brushes to push the upper sides of the thighs directly. After pushing the thighs, let me share the techniques for the knees. The first step is to do a straight push, from top to bottom. The second step is to do a straight push and then separate to both sides. The third step is to push the sides of the knees. The fourth step is to push around the knees, in a circling motion. Have you learned this simple leg slimming technique?